Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about believing in one's self and refusing to make excuses. Believing in yourself and refusing to make excuses are fundamental to achieving your goals and dreams. Here it goes. Believing in yourself is the ultimate fuel for success. When you trust in your abilities and inner strength, there's nothing that can stop you. Embrace your potential and talents because they're the unique tools that set you apart. Excuses are the shackles that restrain progress. They disguise fear and hinder growth. Instead of making excuses, make choices that align with your goals. Take ownership of your actions and decisions. That's where true empowerment lies. Challenges will arise, but they are not roadblocks. They are opportunities for growth. With self-belief, you'll find solutions where excuses see barriers. Remember, the path to success is paved with determination, perseverance, and a refusal to let excuses hold you back. Every accomplishment starts with a decision to believe in yourself and to stop making excuses. So, dare to believe, dare to act, and watch how your unwavering belief in yourself propels you toward greatness. Thank you so much for listening or watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.